Hi, I'm John Kelly. I'm a Phoenix car accident lawyer, and I want to talk to you about how to negotiate a car accident settlement. When you're negotiating a settlement, you're usually to a stage in your case where you understand what your injuries are, you've gotten your medical treatment primarily done, and you've gathered those records and bills, and you've submitted a demand to the insurance company. The insurance company then gets your bills, your records, your demand statement, and they start considering what offers to make short of, litigation and trial. So they'll typically make an initial offer in your claim, and I want to talk to you about some pointers to make sure that you're getting the, understanding of how to negotiate that claim. So when you get an initial offer in, you want to make sure that the adjusters or the insurance defense attorneys understand that you are ready to take your case to trial. And so the way to do that is to kind of front load the case and make sure that you have an expert involved, or at least identified. You have all your medical bills and records organized. You understand your liens on your case and understand what needs to be paid back out of that. And you've put this all together in a form that the insurance company or attorneys for them know that if they don't pay it, you're ready to take those next steps forward to file a lawsuit and to actually take your case all the way to a jury trial and potential verdict. That's the big factor that kind of puts the pressure on them to get it resolved early. Because if they don't believe you are organized, they don't believe you have an understanding of your injuries, they're just not going to put value on your case. So we focus a lot in my firm on making sure we have all these things together before we ever do a demand. And then the negotiation process looks like basically showing the adjusters and defense attorneys what would happen if we go to trial. Very important when you're doing counter offers and that kind of thing is to add some information to your case. And that includes witness statements, additional information about what pain and suffering that you've been through, additional records that you're getting in if you're still treating. One of the things that we do at our law firm a lot, if we have severe injury, is we sit our client down and actually have them in a video talking about how it's affected them. And we have family members come in and do videos about how their life has been impacted by the injury to one of their loved ones. These kind of things can help the adjusters understand the human aspect of it and understand that it's not all just bland medical records and diagnostic codes. This is a human being whose life has been affected, whose relationships have been affected, and who would testify well if they went to trial and potentially get a big jury verdict. And that will put a lot of pressure on the insurance company to understand this is a plaintiff that we need to make sure we're fair to, or they're going to go to trial and get a big verdict, and we're going to lose even more money. So that's a few of the pointers that I would give you for negotiating a car accident settlement. John Kelly, Kelly Law Team. Please give me a call if you'd like to discuss at 602-283-4122.